Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my current brow routine. I use the Kat Von D brow powder in the color Walnut to build up my brows. We're just going to get right into it. If you've been watching my videos, you can see that I do have sparse brows. You can see them here too. It isn't because of tweezing or anything, over waxing or nothing like that. It's just genetics. And I just go in with this brow powder and just lightly fill it into my brows a little at a time. I start off with that thick line at the bottom and sort of brush the powder up from that thick line so that I'm not going in with more product all the time. I'm just moving around the product that's already there. But I'll go in and tap a little bit more into the pan to add more product where I need it. But that thick line gives me a great base to start building up my brow. I love a natural brow. I don't like a overly boxy, a overly darkened brow. I like a nice, soft brow. But it's very hard for me because I don't have brow hair to go off of. I've been doing some things to sort of grow my brows out, but I'll do an update video to see how those go. I don't really want to talk about them right now because if they don't work, I don't want to put you onto something that's bullshit, but we'll see how they go. I also have done some semi-permanent options like microblading. Shout out to the last chap in LA. My best friend hooked a bitch up, but because she's all the way out in LA, I can't get the touch-ups that I need. So we have to resort to other measures. And this brow powder sees your girl through in association with this bomb MAC 276 brush. Who child? So then I go in with my brow gel. The key to this brow gel is the little brush head that's on there. That little brush head just grabs every little bit of hairs that I have. Bigger brushes like Anastasia, don't do it for your girl. They're an amazing formula, but I feel like they just kind of goop on top of my brows and don't really define each hair like this little teeny tiny brush does. So I did my other brow off camera, and your brows should look something like this. They're very simple, easy to go, and this is how it looks. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe, comment below, and thanks for checking your girl out. Mwah.